Hey there, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel, Mikey speaking. Today I got a video for people living in Warner Robins, Georgia area. So it could be Byron or Perry, all those connecting areas. There's a program out there called the Bank of America First Time Home Buying Program that I love to speak on, but unfortunately for these areas, they don't qualify. And I've done a video on the Georgia Dream program before, but I kind of wanted to make another video just for the Warner Robins area for people working at Robins as well, since I do speak to them a lot on home buying grants and programs and everything else under the sun that I can find that can help people gain financial independence. So this video is introducing or reintroducing the Georgia Dream program. I'm going to go to their website and give you the information directly from their website and basically give you a quick pros and cons on using a program like this and who would actually qualify. Let's bring you to the computer. So this website will be in the description. This is the Georgia Dream program. And I'm going to play the video. They give some helpful information. I'm just going to pause it basically at each slide and giving my input on it. And the easiest way to apply after, I'll show you like what links to click and stuff like that. Do you dream of owning your own home? Well, who doesn't? But deterred by high down payments, and actually, if anything, people are just discouraged by the current pricing of houses. It's ridiculous right now. So they offer affordable mortgages and down payment assistance. So that part's going to be key because they're actually going to help with the mortgage itself, giving you a reasonable interest rate, its terms, and everything else in between. So something to keep in mind while using the Georgia Dream program. Now, the standard program will give most people $7,500 if you're a protector, educator, nurse, stuff like military workers, police officers, nurses. You work in those industries, in those departments, then they're actually going to give you up to $10,000 of assistance. One thing that I didn't realize before, even though it says down payment loans or down payment assistance program, this can be used for your down payment, closing costs, and other fees. Something to keep in mind. And then if you're living with a member with a disability or you are a member with a disability, you also qualify for the $10,000, though it's called something different. You have the 7,500 standard program, then you have the PEN program, protectors, educators, and nurses, so teachers as well, and the $10,000 choice, which is for if you have a disability or living with someone with a disability. So something to keep in mind while, going through the program. Make sure you apply for the one that you qualify for, basically. All right, come on, next slide. You got this. I should have just, there you go. All right, are you a first-time home buyer? So a first-time home buyer is someone who hasn't owned a home in the past 3 years and currently doesn't own a home. So this would be strictly for someone who doesn't have a house. Unlike the Bank of America programs and some of the other programs I've gone over that you don't have to be a first-time home buyer, for this one you do. So please keep that in mind. And then they have targeted areas as well, but the Warner Robins area does qualify for this, as well as some areas in Perry and Byron. It's kind of by county, but I'll go over how to figure all that out in a little bit. Now, here goes some more information. Has a household income up to max limit. They'll go over the max limits. I want to say this should be updated every year. We're in a new year. I would definitely get in contact with them to figure out what the limits are. And your liquid assets can't be more than $20,000 or 20% of the sales price, whichever is greater. So this is really for people who are starting off. Something to keep in mind. If you happen to have a lot of assets, if you have a stock account that exceeds $20,000, you may not qualify. And then meet the mortgage loan requirements, which is normally like your credit score, being able to afford the house, job with the same job or same job within the same, or sorry, had a job within the same industry for like the past 3 years, whatever their requirements are going to be. Those are just some requirements I've seen. All right, now we wait for the next slide again. Then you may qualify. Yay, that's what we all want. I feel like they should really loosen up these standards. And right here goes the website and the number you can call to get the participating lenders. So that's the Georgia Dream program in a nutshell. There's a lot of things they don't go into, like that $7,500 or $10,000 is actually usually like a second deferred loan that you have to pay back whenever you sell the property, refinance, or move out. Now, the Georgia Dream program, actually, I'm going to pause for one moment to look this up. Okay, I'm back. I am so sorry about that, but I wanted to verify. The $7,500 or the $10,000 you're getting is a 0% interest loan. So you do have to pay that money back because it is a loan, but it's not accruing interest, which is absolutely amazing. You're literally getting to borrow $10,000 or $7,500 for free. And then you pay that money back whenever you sell, refinance, or move out of the property. Something to keep in mind, if you're using this program, you're going to want to stay in that house until you can pay that money back. Again, keep that in mind. If you're selling the house, then obviously it'll get wrapped into the sale because it is treated as a second loan on top of your first loan. Anyways, that's more or less all the information for starters about the Georgia Dream program. Getting in contact with a lender and a realtor, couldn't think of the name, is going to be the best thing. For lenders, you're going to want to contact their lenders, but for realtors, use whichever realtor that you think is best. If you're in the Warner Robins area, I can give you a couple suggestions on a good realtor. But remember, a realtor is free for you to use, and both the realtor and the lender will be able to help you find out if you qualify for any of these programs within the Georgia Dream programs. Again, realtors is a free service. They get paid by the seller. So you find a good realtor, they're going to help you out, and it doesn't cost you anything to use them. Keep that in mind. If you like this video, like and subscribe, and please share this with someone who lives in the Warner Robins, Peach, Byron County areas, even Houston County areas within Georgia, all the areas around Robins Air Force Base, basically. Anyways, till the next video, hope you have a good day. Bye.